Do you struggle with snoring and erectile dysfunction? Namaste, welcome gentlemen. I've definitely seen this pattern in my 20 years of experience. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and I want to share with you a simple protocol that can help you. The pattern that I've seen is that gentlemen who struggle with snoring may not be getting the breath that they need while they sleep. And as a result, they're not getting the sleep and they're not getting the circulation as well as the testosterone, resulting in not having the firmness and duration of the erection, the satisfaction in the bedroom. So what I want to do today is I want to share with you a simple protocol that you can do while you're washing your face in the shower or while you are resting in bed, doing your best to fall asleep. This acupressure protocol is going to bring blood flow to the nasal passageways so that you can breathe better, while you sleep, which can help you with testosterone and circulation. Now, before I explain to you what the protocol is, it is most definitely important that with testosterone and erection-related issues, I definitely want you to go to your medical doctor and get checked out. Just rule out that there's nothing serious going on and that perhaps there is not a medication that is inhibiting your erection. So please do that for me along with this self-care protocol. We are going to acupress and massage the sinuses on the face, which can help bring blood flow to that area so you can breathe better. In addition to that, I want to explain to you the mirror imaging of the corresponding points to the genitalia, because as we are improving the nasal passageways, we are also training and massaging the corresponding parts so that you can have that blood flow to the genitalia specifically. We are going to start off by massaging the forehead where the frontal sinuses are. Then we're going to acupress along the midline of the body face and then go outward. This way we are getting yin tong, the ethmoid and sphenoid sinuses, and also the maxillary sinuses. If we can do that, we've hit 4 sinus cavities to help bring blood flow to the nasal passageways so that you can breathe better. Also, we've hit yin tong, which can help you sleep and also help you with testosterone. In addition to that, correspondingly, we have Adam here, and the body of Adam is mirror image just like this, as well as just like this, where the lower genitalia is right here. In addition, the penis is represented by the nose, and also the lower abdomen or the root of the genitalia is represented where actually the maxillary sinus is. So you are getting a 2-for-1 where we are massaging the area to help you breathe better while you sleep, but we're also training the blood flow to go to the genitalia specifically. So over time, the blood is already there and trained so that you can have that satisfaction in the bedroom. So when you do this at home, I want you to do your very best to do it for a minimum of 3 minutes. You can do it for 10 or 20 minutes. It's super relaxing, but at least do it for a minimum of 3 minutes nightly. I'm going to demo it for the next minute, and then I want you to report back to me how it's working for you. Most men report that within a few weeks to a few months, they see improvement. So with that, let's get started. Here we go. Do that nightly. Work with your doctor. Let me know in the comments how this is working for you. Most men report that they see improvement within a few weeks to a few months. And also, please let me know what other topics you want to know more about. I really want to help you. And just also know that all the money, we do our very best to put it towards establishing a free clinic. So if you want to give a donation, do consider the first link in the link tree. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. From your friend and acupuncturist, Anita Tadavarthy. It's Anita Tadavarthy. I want to use my 20 years of clinical experience in giving you the best of self-care acupressure protocols to help you along the way. Please comment down below and let us know if these protocols are helping you. Most patients report that they see results within a few weeks to a few months. And if there are topics that you want to know more about, comment down below. Your feedback shapes our content. And also want to give you a special message that we at Empirical Grace are doing just amazing things. We are putting the monetization money from social media towards establishing a free clinic in the Washington, D.C. area. I am from the Washington, D.C. area originally, and this has been my lifelong dream. So just know that as you watch our videos, the monetization money is going towards a great cause. And if you want to donate, you can do so using the first link in the bio. Thank you so much for believing in us, and I wish you all the very best in being a man on the planet. From your friend and acupuncturist, Anita Tadavarthy.
We would like to thank Anita's friends and business contacts who donated their time, money, and medical supplies to the Rapely Free Clinic.
We're here in my grandfather's marriage hall, which is now being converted into our clinic or free hospital. We have been here for 4 months, and we have treated about 1,000 patients with over 8,000 or 9,000 patient visits. Most of the patients are farmers and agricultural workers, so a lot of the things that they're dealing with is pain. There's lots of different types of